Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make French toast sticks in the microwave. First, gather your simple ingredients and prepare your bread. Next, we'll dip the sticks in a flavorful egg mixture. Finally, I'll show you the quick microwaving steps and offer some delicious serving ideas. This method is perfect for a fast and easy breakfast treat. To begin, you'll need a few basic items. Bread, 1 egg, about 1/4 cup of milk, and a dash of cinnamon. Slice your bread into sticks, roughly 1 inch wide. In a shallow bowl, whisk together the egg, milk, and cinnamon until well combined. Then dip each bread stick into this mixture, ensuring it's fully coated. Now, arrange your dipped French toast sticks on a microwave-safe plate. Make sure not to overcrowd the plate. It's better to cook them in small batches. Microwave on high for about 30 to 60 seconds. Cooking times can vary, so check for firmness. If they are still too soft, microwave for another 15 to 20 seconds until they reach your desired texture. Once cooked, serve your microwave French toast sticks immediately. They are delicious with classic toppings like maple syrup or a sprinkle of powdered sugar. You could also add fresh berries or a dollop of whipped cream for an extra treat. This quick and easy method is ideal for a satisfying breakfast or a delightful snack, especially on busy mornings.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.